Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video on bold reports. In this tutorial, I will show you the steps to create a master details report using a list. The master details report displays data in two parts, master and details. The master part displays the overview, and the details part displays detailed information for the master. In this video, I will show you the steps to create a master list that displays product subcategory, product model, and description, and a detail part that displays the product details in the details table. First, I'll start by creating a new report in the report server and naming it Master Detail Report List. You can also follow the steps while creating a report in the standalone report designer. Next, I need to retrieve the necessary data from the database to present it in the Master Detail Report. So, I create a data source and a data set using my AdventureWorks database in the Microsoft SQL Server. I have the database details in the form of a connection string. I use advanced options to use my connection string. Then, choose the authentication type as none since the connection string already has the database credentials. This connects to the data source and opens the query designer. I enter the dataset name as product dataset. As I already have the query to join tables for my dataset, I enable the code mode to enter the SQL query. Next, I click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. Looking here, the dataset is created. Before adding a list, let me add a header to this report that displays the basic information. First, I enable the header area, add a rectangle, and resize it. Then, change the background color to enhance the look and feel. To add the header text, add a text box inside the rectangle, and a label, Product Catalog, since the list displays the product information. Next, I format the text to enhance the look and feel. If there is extra space around the text, resize the text box and rectangle to adjust the spacing. Now, the header has been added. Next, let me add the master list, which displays an overview of data for the product. So, I drag and drop the list report item from the item panel onto the report layout. Then, assign the dataset value so that the fields from the dataset are used in the list. Next, add grouping to the list. I select the list item and click Details in the Row Group section. Next, open the grouping dialog by clicking the Set Groups button in the Properties panel. Select the product subcategory field for the group by value, so that values will be grouped based on a selected field. And save the changes. Here I will display the data in a free-form layout. First, I need to assign the product subcategory field to the list. So, I add a text box to this list item. Then, I enter the label text as product subcategory. Similarly, I insert another text box and set the expression for the product subcategory field to this text box. In the same way, add the product model label and its value text box. And description label and its value text box. Now, format the added data to enhance the look and feel. First, I change the product subcategory label font size and its values font size, style, weight. In the same way, I format the font for the product model label and value text boxes, and the description label and the value text boxes. Then, I change the vertical alignment. Now, the master data is added to the report. Next, Let me add the details table to display the product details in a list. Right-click the list and insert the table. Then, add the necessary columns to the table. Next, add values to the table to display the product details. Since the currency value must be displayed in the currency format, I select the cost value cell and change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. Now format the table by changing the background color, font color, size, weight, and alignment. Now, everything is ready to preview the report, and I switch to preview mode. Here, you will see the product summary details displayed as the master part, and each product details displayed as the details part. In this video, I have shown you how to create a master details report using a list report item. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.